Women have been featuring prominently in the gun trade out west.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, law enforcement sources have revealed that the barrel intercepted at the port in St. James on Monday the 11th of January with 19 guns, including 6 high-powered rifles and over 400 rounds of ammunition, was addressed to a female with a Falmouth address in Trelawny. The woman's name is being withheld. According to law enforcement sources, the barrel listed the sender as a male who resides in Coral Springs, Florida in the United States. Interestingly, the surnames of the female and the sender are the same. 3 years ago, U.S. Border Patrol agents intercepted 2 barrels labeled as personal effects at the Miami International Airport, which were destined for Montego Bay. The barrels were found to contain 115 pistols, 4 rifles, and more than 200 rounds of assorted ammunition. The shipping documents, according to an incident report, indicated that the barrels were to be collected by a female in Montego Bay. The document listed the sender as a female who resides in the Coral Springs, Pompano Beach area of Florida. The JCF disclosed on Tuesday that a multi-agency investigation is now underway to identify the persons behind the shipment of the 6 rifles, 13 handguns, all 9mm pistols, and 474 rounds of ammunition. Now, according to sources, the blue barrel containing the guns and labeled to contain toiletries and food items was flagged as suspicious on Saturday the 9th of January. This following x-rays conducted by personnel from the Port Authority of Jamaica and the Cargo Imaging Unit of the Jamaica Customs Contraband Enforcement Team at a private shipping facility based in Freeport, Montego Bay. The police were alerted after the barrel was opened on Monday evening by members of the Contraband Enforcement Team and found to contain a duffel bag with the guns and ammunition. The weapons include 9 Glock pistols, 1 AK-47 assault rifle, a camouflage Moriarty rifle, a green Moriarty rifle, and a Micro Jacko 7.62 rifle. The serial numbers on 5 of the Glock pistols were erased, this according to law enforcement sources. Among the items were 39mm magazines and 9 rifle-fitting magazines. The police have confirmed that the Freeport Wharf has been under stricter surveillance in recent years, with a significant increase in the number of illegal firearms and ammunition being found in cargo shipment into the island. This latest seizure follows in the wake of another major bust at the wharf in May of 2019, when 6 illegal firearms and over 1,500 rounds of assorted ammunition were confiscated in a similar operation. On that occasion, customs officers were carrying out routine checks of barrels in the wharf's warehouse when they detected irregularities in a particular barrel, which was searched and found to contain 6 9mm semi-automatic pistols along with the 1,500 rounds of assorted ammunition. A few days before that May 2019 seizure, an operation was carried out at the same location at the wharf, and over 1,800 rounds of assorted ammunition were found. Within recent times, reports have surfaced that several top-flight Western Jamaican-based gangsters who fled the island during last year's tri-parish state of emergency and made their way to the United States have been sending back guns to their local cronies to keep influence on their old turf.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!